Hello, this is Mr. Mobility. I'm recording this with a wireless lavalier microphone. There is the transmitter pinned here, the microphone pinned here, using an iPhone 12 mini. That's an iPhone with a lightning port. And in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the wireless lavalier microphone with your iPhone for recording videos. Come with me.
Here are two cases of the same model of wireless microphone. You're familiar with this. It's a pretty popular type of lavalier wireless microphone. While the cases are similar, there is a notable difference. If you check on the side of the case, you will see that this one is marked as for Type-C, which means this is for an Android smartphone. That's what it means. How do I know? I have tested both of them. I have taken this microphone with its receiver, attached a random USB-C to Lightning port adapter to it, and plugged it into my iPhone, and it didn't work. When I switched on the microphone, the light stayed red. And no matter how much I tried to record, it didn't record any audio with it. Here I am plugging in that random USB-C to Lightning port adapter with this particular one. And when I turn on the microphone, the light just keeps blinking red. It never turns green. And even when I try to do a recording, no audio goes through. It just keeps blinking red. Or to be more accurate, it blinks red and green. Still doesn't work. It didn't matter what I did. It just didn't work. I have tried it multiple times, and a number of people in a previous video of mine have complained that using this with their iPhone does not work. So that got me thinking. That was when I really looked at the site, and I noticed that it was ticked or checked or selected only for Type-C. Now, how about this guy? When we look at the side here, not only does it say that it is for Type-C, but it also is marked for iPhone. And in the case, along with it came this USB-C to Lightning port adapter. Now, that suggested to me that some form of compatibility with iPhone had been worked into the receiver and this. One thing is clear. This one that has been marked for Type-C alone does not work with iPhones. This one that is marked as for Type-C and for iPhone works with iPhones. So how do you use it? Again, like the other guy, it's a plug and play device. All you have to do, plug in the USB-C to Lightning port adapter in the receiver. This receiver, you plug it into your iPhone's Lightning port. Take note. And then this is the power button right here. And this is the LED light. To power it on, you press and hold the power button. So I'm pressing and holding, and then I'm watching the light. It blinks red for a while. Then it immediately blinks green, meaning it has connected to the receiver. So I'm going to unlock my phone. Phone unlocked. And then here's my camera. I select video. This guy is still green. I'm going to hold it to my mouth and do a recording. This is a test run of the wireless lavalier mic for iPhone. What do you think? Recording completed. Now let's play it back. This is a test run of the wireless lavalier mic for iPhone. What do you think? So it works. It works if take note at the point of purchase. At the point of purchase is where that critical decision is made. It has to have for iPhone checked, Type-C and for iPhone. Please do not buy the one that is marked as only for Type-C. This will work only with your Type-C Android smartphone. It will not work with an iPhone. You get it? Apart from that, they look exactly the same. The design on the box is the same. The product themselves, they look the same. Also, immediately you disconnect this from the iPhone, the light on the microphone turns red or starts blinking red. There you go. It's blinking red now. If you connect it back, it stops blinking red, it goes green again. When you're done using your microphone, of course, you press and hold the power button till it turns off. Then you remove this. Don't forget that you always need to charge this. It uses a USB-C charger. It has a USB-C port for charging, and there's a small cable. There's a small cable, a short cable included in the pack for charging it. You plug this USB-C end here, and then you plug this bigger end into a charger or a brick. That's how to charge this. The receiver does not need charging. It draws power directly from your phone when you plug it in. That's it. Charge this, plug this into your phone, power this on. The light will blink red for a few moments and then turn green. Then open your camera app and start recording. That's how it works. Plug and play, very simple. Now you know how to connect and use a wireless lavalier microphone with your iPhone. Let me have your feedback. All the best, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, follow my channel, turn on your notifications, and let's share more good stuff again and again. Thanks for watching.